What do you get stuck on quicksand? Be careful. We're just gonna head home. I'll drop you off and then I'll come back for you and then
When you set up camp.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
I'll be back.
Safe.
Close the door if anything, I don't know. Whoa. I probably should have done this since the beginning. Gone alone, you know? But okay, let's go. Let's do this. Okay. I found something, so I'm not the only one that has been here, so that's good. I don't know, man, I'm a little scared. Like, what if I see something in between those trees, you know? I'd shit myself. I don't know, I'll just freeze up. I am. Wow, okay. The only way through there is going down there and up there. That's some hella workout, dude. Okay. Or I could just go through here. And there's no need to. It's not that high. It's not that tall. I could just go under. So it's like kind of pointless in a way. How does this even happen? What the fuck? That's kind of scary, dude. What the? How does that even happen? Good thing is I'm getting close. That's good. Oh, there's a bunch of these cliffs, dude. What the? I have to go all the way around. Oh. I think I'm here, but it looks like it's another cliff. Yo, I see it. But how do I get down there? Okay, I kind of found a path right there. Just straight down there. That's cool. Man, I'm tired. I've arrived, but it's not what I expected. It's weird. Look at all that. It's like, where do I camp, bro? Here, I guess. But I want to be next to the water. Check it out. I found a path. Somebody's been here before. There's a path here. Hopefully I could camp here, man. I think I could, honestly. I don't know. Oh, check out the path. It's like obvious now. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. We did it, man. Ah. I did it. Look how beautiful this is. And they already have the stones there. Hell yeah. Come on, bro. I did it. Oh my lord. My pants are falling. I did it though. That was hard. I honestly don't even need all this. It's so hot. It's not so bad for my first solo camp, right? Check it out. That's pretty cool. There's already a pit here. Somebody already been here before. Look at that. Bro, it's nice. I don't know if you can see me, it's dark now. It's nice. All this is wet. That's all wet. Look at that. It's all wet, bro, of sweat. I think my shirt too. Oh no, dude. I'm all wet, bro. How am I gonna dry out? I didn't bring extra clothes. Let's get my tent rolling, bro. Ow, whoa, what the f? That was fast. How am I gonna roll this back? I don't even know how. This way. There we are. My tent's ready to go. Was my tent pretty feed me or what? I don't think this is for. Alright guys, my camp is ready. Looks pretty feed me. Look inside it. All that space right there. 2 people fit. It's for 1 person, but me and Dana are small, so we both could fit there. Now I'm gonna go pick them up. It's a lot easier now. I don't have a lot of stuff, so let's go. I do carry a pepper spray, bear spray, just in case. I don't know what's out here. My shoe got stuck in there. Oh, shit. Wow. Okay. There's quicksand here. Man, I found the road. Way better. Man, that was tiring. I don't know how she... I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how she's gonna... That's a mission. This is like hard. I'm not used to this. This is hard. I'm not used to this. I don't know how Dana's gonna go over there. I'm tired. I see the van. I'm so tired. The van's over there. She has a car on. I should just camp here, huh? Okay. Hey!
Hey you!
Oh my god.
You're so sweaty. You're carrying the bird spray. You're
Yeah, well, you don't want to carry it then?
Yeah.
Oh, Bebito's asleep.
Get water bottles, yeah. Fill them up in here.
I got some over there. I got a whole gallon.
You got a bunch?
I got 2 gallons over there.
No water bottles.
Bebito's, we're going. Hopefully we can make it. Hopefully everything goes well.
Oh my god.
Mud puddles.
Really?
Yeah, so be careful. You tired yet?
Yeah. Arlen! Be careful!
Help me!
I can't.
Help me!
I'm too tired to get to you quick.
All the wood is very soft.
I know.
It's weird, huh? It crunches like a pillow.
Let's go. Come on.
I don't even know what to get soft like that. Did you?
Well, it's like soggy.
Dude, why you record so ugly?
It's soggy if it keeps raining or it's always humid.
Like...
I get tired.
Okay. We need we're halfway there.
Okay.
You start pretty good.
We're halfway.
Yeah. Actually, a little bit more than halfway.
Yay.
Ay, Vito, why are you doing that? He put his head down. Look how soft the wood is. Yeah. I destroyed it already. Is it safe for Honey to drink that water?
I see it running. It's a stream.
Huh?
I see it running.
Okay. We should let her drink a puddle of water. Okay. Whoa!
Arlen, get off of that.
I have to cross.
Go somewhere else.
Yeah, I'll put it this way. Wow!
Oh my god.
It broke! tell you, the wood is so damn soft. That wood literally broke. He's saying be careful. Hey bro, when you cross it, ah!
Baby,
Let's go.
no.
Up ahead.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's like a steep hill here, so be careful. Looks like we're mountain biking here.
Oh no. How'd you do it?
Let's go fast. Go fast. Look, we're here. Look at how he's staring at it. We are here. See,
That's so small.
what?
That's a tiny tent. That was be taller.
What? You're making fun of my tent. You ain't sleeping in it then. Look how
Yes.
beautiful it is. Look at over there.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
I got my fire going on.
Are we gonna fit?
Yeah, you'll see inside how it looks.
Dude, that's like for one person. You're so funny.